installed Cucumber also after I did the install. I installed
Okay.
Cucumber here.
Okay.
So I will share and let's try to run.
Sure.
Um, let's see, make sure. Okay, so I actually ended up here. I'll pull this over. It does say it's configured for E2E, but I may
Mhm.
I may want to start over because I think I selected Chrome, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to just close that and try again. Okay, it says configured. Oh, I was wrong. And we want Electron, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Correct. Okay. All right. And we're going to do admission feature. Eh, same error. I swear to God, app data. I swear to God, that's it. Um,
Okay.
so I will. So what I did is I created another folder to Cypress training, TRN,
Okay.
and then I did the install there. Um, I actually decided to use Terminal to do the install, just whatever. Doesn't make a difference, but and then I put all the pieces back in terms of the scripts and all of that. And
Mhm.
then I put the Cypress config back. I mean, I had both. Actually, I still do have both open in front of me. Ugh.
Okay.
Um, and so there's something. What happened yesterday is I think I updated, and forgive me if I'm wrong to say NPM or node. I had kind of updated it, and I think that it went across installations. Um, the way I did it, but I mean, I think I can run regular scripts. I just don't think I can run
Mhm.
uh these
Yeah. Yeah. There is do one thing. Like just
mhm.
put comment on spec pattern and try to uncomment that JS file and to try to run that one. Let's see what happens.
Okay. So yeah. Oh, that's funny because I had both instances up. It exited me out of both instances. Shoot me. Okay. And then it opens me in two instances.
Mhm.
Oh, do I hate that? Okay. So the Cypress config you want, right?
Yeah, I want that. Just put comment on feature file and uncomment the JS file and try to run the JS file. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so I have to get rid of this CONST
No, 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 no,
cucumber.
no, no, no. Keep as it is.
I'm sorry?
Keep as it is. Yeah. Just go to line number 10.
Line number 10,
Yeah, uncomment it.
uncomment this
Yeah, and
spec
put
pattern.
yeah put comment on line number 11.
Ah, okay.
Now try to run this. See what's happened.
Okay, I'm gonna just make sure it's saved.
Hmm.
And I'm just closing it. That okay, do I want Electron or do I want
Y-
Chrome?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Let me do Chrome.
Yeah.
Okay. And then so
Run any file. Open admission.open.
yeah,
Can you run admission.open JS file?
admission. Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. It does not like admission open. Will it run the other ones?
Yeah.
No, it won't.
All files not working at your end.
Yeah, and let me try. to open a folder for for the other project I've been using,
Yeah, sure.
just because
Yeah.
utility cycles. Yeah, is that the one I was using, or I was actually using another one too? This one here,
Mm-hmm.
folder. Okay. Oh, I'm going to close this one maybe because I don't want to get confused. Thank goodness it's still running this project stuff. It looks like
Okay.
it's probably going to stop it, but I mean, it's not doing the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
It seems like putting in the BDD did something. I don't know because it's a different directory structure and then it got confused. Although
Yeah.
this might take forever, but this is not getting the same. I'm not sure why this is taking forever, but oh, I may not be on the VPN. I
Yeah.
thought I was on the VPN, but I may not be on the VPN. I am not on the VPN, so that's what that's doing there.
Okay.
Um, yeah. In fact, bear with me one moment while I get it. All I need is to get a code from my phone.
Mm-hmm.
Um, then I have to answer yes or something when it comes up again. Yep. Okay, now I'm connected to the VPN.
Okay.
Well, maybe I should do this. I don't know.
Yeah, it's working fine now. Yeah.
Yeah, well, this actually isn't working fine, but yeah, it's working the way it was working. So yeah.
Yeah.
It
So David,
just seems
so
to
David,
me,
why don't you try this directory? Put your Cucumber BDT folder.
I'm afraid to try BDD anywhere because I'm
Okay.
afraid. No, I'm afraid it's going to ruin the directory structure. Does that make
Yeah.
sense?
But
Um,
yeah.
so I don't. I mean, I almost want to say if there's a way I can learn it, or I mean, I just think that we have to. Maybe I can try tonight to try to see if I can fix it.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Um,
Yeah,
why don't I try to do that? And I mean, I tried to make sure I understood it by trying to do my own one,
exactly. Sure.
and so I think I understand what it's trying to do. I like how it's, because like you said, you can communicate with people a little bit easier with what your scripts are doing.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I mean, I do like it. I'm gonna have to stop this stupid thing here. I think. Um,
Okay.
it's gonna give me, yeah, this one gives it. You can go into web tools, and if you turn logging on, you can see some of the errors.
Mm-hmm.
Before I started this class, the developer on the project that I'm working on, that I'm trying to do the automation,
Mm-hmm.
he was going into web tools in detail to find out, what was going on with the script that I had. I'm just saying that that's because I thought I had lost some of the logging. Steve, worked with me last night. He showed me, or he was finding out on his own about web tools.
Mm-hmm.
And they also have a thing called CY parentheses origin, which it may not work well, but it's a way to make sure that you keep going back to your original URL when
Mm-hmm.
you have, because the scripts that I have, I'm talking for my company, they will switch URL quite a bit, like trying to do the pagination in the exam. But
Okay.
then he said that thing's not foolproof. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update there. So I hate to give up on something, but I'd say let's move on to the next topic and I'll try to see if I can resolve that.
Sure, sure.
I'm just afraid I'm gonna pollute my other installs if I
Yeah,
run that. So
yeah.
I don't wanna lose the company work that I have, and maybe I would have, and
Hmm.
if there's a way to erase the installs, I haven't found a good way, you know what I mean, to
Yeah, yeah,
uninstall entirely.
yeah,
Um, yeah, but I think there's a problem there. So anyway, let's move on to the next topic, and I
yeah,
will try because I
sure.
understand BDD. This is important.
Yeah,
I understand that. So I'm going to close this, but like you said, I'll probably have to do some of the scripts that we're doing in this instance.
yeah, sure.
If we're going to need to do scripting, then I'll just put it over here, but no BDD. No BDD. I can't do that. So I need to, you know what? I need to just not shut down my PC, but I
Okay,
need to just shut down these instances because I'm way confused right now.
okay.
Um, and for some reason, since I opened two instances of this, I don't quite know how to quit one of them. Uh, yuck. So anyway, I'm not displaying at all, am I?
Hmm.
No, I'm not sharing. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, so do you know
Y-
what is aliases?
alias, yeah, yes, I do know what aliases are.
You know? Okay.
Um, yeah.
And
Let me just open, sorry, let me make sure I open the right instance of this.
okay.
Oh,
Can I
I
stop
can't
sharing?
believe you're going to start sharing. Yes,
Okay.
please do. Oh, good. At least I was able to shut down one of those. I mean, not shut down, but at least. Oh, okay. Yes, go ahead and share. So you're trying to share. Okay.
Can I share or you want to share?
No, did you want me to share? I'm sorry.
No, no, no. I'm sharing. Can I share?
Yes, please share. I don't see it yet.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I shared. I thought that you were sharing. Okay.
Okay. I don't see yet.
So what aliases is, if I say?
Okay, now I'm starting to see something. Okay.
So do you know there is exactly what aliases is?
Well, it's like you're trying to call something by another name. And sometimes you're trying to simplify it. That's why you're using a different name.
Okay, yeah, that's great. And
Mm.
do you know this concept?
No, I haven't seen CY intercept.
Okay, actually, if I write here, so cy dot intercept actually does not make a request, but rather listens to request. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, actually,
There.
this AI
Yeah.
intercept we are dealing with your API testing.
You said API testing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So have you done the API testing?
I have done it to a limited extent.
Okay.
Um,
So it listen to request that occur on the network layer. Got it? If I ask you what
okay.
is CY intercept, so you can just see here does not make a request, but rather
Mm.
listens to requests that occur on the network layer.
Okay, so I
Yeah,
guess it's trying to just messages or things that go on in the network.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So, like suppose for example, if you ask Cypress to name a certain request that we expect to occur after some action. Okay, so we can also ask if to wait for it before moving on when it making that such a request occurring. You got it?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So CY intercept is usually used in conjunction with two other commands as and cy.wait. So basically it handle the request, also change the request status code, simulate a network feature. Got it?
Okay.
It's little bit new to you if for this
Hmm.
concern. Yeah,
Yeah, it's new to me.
exactly. So we'll take one example of this CY intercept. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll take one example of suppose if I write a learning the you will get more idea.
Hmm.
So I'll take the example of this website GraphQL to do app dot hero. I'll take the example of this one. If I take okay,
Hmm.
yeah, if I take this one
Okay.
and copy there into the browser.
So I'll see if I can call that up too.
Yeah, yeah. Just it's loading.
Yeah, it's a little slow, I think, but
See here, I am getting a to-do list app.
hmm
So in this case, I can create the new atom. Like if I put my name here, create. If I click on this create atom, so my name get printed here. Okay. Even though I remove
hmm
this name, this I also remove this one. I create there something. Do what you're doing here. So I'm seeing a writing.
hmm
Create item writing. So this one to-do list. Okay. Research. So to do, doing, done, to think. So you can automate this one. You can create new list also like ABC.
I think I might. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, yeah. All right.
Yeah, so in this way you can create a new list. So this one API
Hmm.
testing you can done. Okay, if you right click here,
Okay.
inspect it, and go to your network layer. Yeah,
I'm sorry.
this
I did
network
a right click and then did I need to open
network layer,
more tools, developer tools, and then
network.
network?
Yeah,
Yeah. Hmm.
so you'll get here like all the all F, fetch XHR and all you get. All the APIs you will get here. If I create new one, see if I write create new one. If I put now my name, create new item here. So you can see this GraphQL. If I click this one,
Okay.
I'm getting this header, status code I'm getting, option I'm getting here, then responses I'm getting here, this one is review I'm getting.
Mhm. Name. GraphQL. I'm just trying to make sure I can see. You are now into,
Network layer.
I see network, and then I I don't see headers. You see where you
Yeah.
have that
So
second
see,
section?
what you do. Right click,
Inspect.
inspect, go to network. So you'll not see your header right now. So you have
Click
for header,
inspect.
yeah, for header you just need to click this
Go
one.
to network.
Yeah,
Okay.
you just need to create here something you have to do some action like create new atom. So if I'm writing here my name here,
Mm-hmm.
I'm creating the atom. So see in that case I'm getting this one.
Right. I put in my new create. Oh, another one. Another me. Whatever. Create item. And it made a GraphQL entry.
Hmm.
Um, I don't status type. Mine are XHR.
Okay.
Mine
Click
say
on
GraphQL and mine say XHR.
click on this all.
Click on the all. Okay.
So
All
you'll get,
right.
yeah, you'll get all the GraphQL. GraphQL. See header, review responses.
Uh-huh. I still am having a hard time seeing the second section
Okay.
that has the section with headers where it says headers, payload, preview, response,
Hmm.
initiator, timing. I still cannot seem to
Okay.
get into that mode.
Okay. So, Dennis, what I'll do, I'll just finish my end to end, then you try it your end.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. So this one is my request URL.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is my request URL. I can take that one to use CY intercept. Okay. So what
Mm-hmm.
I'll do, I'll having some scenario to testing this. What I'll do
Mm-hmm.
first, in the to do list app, what I'll do first, this one is my scenario. Okay. My first
Mm-hmm.
now is to load the list. Second one is create a to do, and third one
Mm-hmm.
is what, delete the to do. This one today I'll use do using CY intercept.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? So
Okay.
I just go to my VS Code here and CY intercept to do one.js. Okay, so I'll just remove all this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'll write down this reference types equal to Cypress. Now describe, I'm writing describe to do app E2E test. Now inside this I just write down here, write down first test case is should be able to load the list. So I'll have that one, just open that visit. I'm having this https, this URL I'm having
Mm-hmm.
.com Okay, so now this one should be able to load the list. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So till they, if I write down here, like to open the web page is also work, and the next one is to like use Siva intercept. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So see, if I open this one, if I right click here, yeah, sorry, npx Cypress open.
Hmm. Slow.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, it looks a little slow unless
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
opening somewhere else. Another page, another screen, I mean.
It takes time.
Hmm.
Oh, I just go to my picture file.
Okay. You have to fix your configuration.
Yeah, yeah. I just
I hope it
uncomment.
works for you.
Yeah, I just uncomment this one and comment here.
In fact, I ought to try to get rid of that. No, never mind. That is slow.
Hmm.
Maybe it's not going to like it. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. CY intercept.
Yeah, this one is
Hmm. CY intercept to do one.
this was
It
two
says
months.
2 months ago. That's
Yeah,
weird.
On this one, the another file which I have created long back.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is not which I have created right now.
Mhm. It doesn't see it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Did that mess it up? Configuration? Oh my god.
Okay, okay.
Ugh.
Sorry. I have made this folder not in the integration.
Oh, okay.
I'll just
Put it back in integration.
yeah.
Yeah.
I just change the name to
Hmm.
intercept.js.
Yeah.
I put here. I just go to my website. Intercept.
Oh, you just named it plain old intercept. I
Yeah,
see.
yeah. See,
Yeah.
this one will get open.
Mhm.
Okay. So now I'll use
Okay.
another way to open this page. Okay. So what I'll do,
Okay.
I'll just open this website and I just go and copy this URL, request URL. I'll try to intercept this one.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll try to intercept this one. I'll just copy this line.
Hmm.
I'll just put it in notepad. Okay. Now this one is my request URL.
Mhm.
Yeah. This Java Spring Boot. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just create one it block and again then I'll try the same thing. It should open.
Mhm.
Should be able to load the list. In this, what I'll do, I'll just try to intercept it. I just put here a cy.intercept the request URL, and before that, I just put here post method. Post method,
Mhm. Okay.
comma. I'll just put this. Now I'll use one alias here as request. This is my alias.
Okay. Yeah. Simpler than the URL.
Yeah, yeah. Now again, what I'll do, I'll just copy this line cy.intercept. I put here, and I'll just tell them to wait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, at the rate. This is my request. Is my alias. So if you see what happened now.
Mhm. Okay.
See, both way you
Mhm.
can open the website or your app. But this one
Okay.
is without intercepting, and this one is using intercepting.
Okay.
Okay.
Bear with me. I was gonna just kind of take
Yeah.
a screenshot. One moment. This jumps me back
Just
and
hold on. Yeah.
forth. Okay. That one there.
Yeah. One
Okay.
second.
All right.
Yeah.
That one with the intercept? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
I just
okay.
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 Now, if you see here, if I take you to that, okay, this one my website. Uh, can you see here some names are given?
Okay, so I'm still having a problem getting to this second section
Okay, second section. Yeah,
of
this one.
when I say second section, I'm talking about the web tools. I'm talking about literally in web tools, where you have
This one.
when you're in web tools,
Okay. Web
even
tool.
just looking at the site, when you're in web tools, I cannot get that second section that says headers, payload, preview, response,
Yeah.
initiator,
See,
timing.
you will get this one when you do some operation here.
I thought I did. I thought I did.
So can you put this
Where
one?
it says my new create, but I can do another one and
Can
just
you?
say
Yeah.
Denise on the
Yeah. Yeah.
first one and then create item.
Correct.
Okay, and then I just don't see that. I see name, status, type, initiator, size, time.
Okay. Do one thing. Can you just share your screen to me?
Sure.
I stop sharing.
Oh, okay. Want to make sure I've got the right one. Oh, that's not the right one. Bear with me. I'm going to stop
Yeah.
it again. Oh, apologies. Stop it. Okay. Okay. So here's
Yeah.
what I have. Here,
Okay. So click on any GraphQL.
any GraphQL.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Click it.
Right click.
No, no, no. Click on that checkbox.
Oh, click on the
Yeah.
checkbox. Okay.
See, you will get this field.
Ah, okay. I see. Okay. And so like if I wanted to see
Got it? So I see you can see here
yeah.
the operation name. Go to preview.
Uh-huh.
See
Okay.
in the payload you can see the operation name and all, you know.
Hmm. Yes.
So you can verify that one using Siba intercept.
Okay.
Let me share my screen to you now.
Sure. Bear with me. Okay. It's trying. It's close. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Now see what I'll do now.
Hmm.
I open my notepad and I just write down here. I'll just write down here identify the correct request using operation name. What I'll do now, I go to this my to-do list. See, if I go to this payload,
Mhm.
I got this operation name here. Create item mutation.
Okay.
So by using this operation name, I identify the correct request. Okay.
Okay.
So like see, my operation name is create atom mutation, and I want to know that my request is correct or not on the basis of this one. So what I'll do,
Mhm.
I'll just create one scenario here. Again, I'll take one it block. Okay. In that, I just write on here
Mhm.
identify the correct request using operation name. So now I'll just intercept it. See where I intercept. Okay.
Mhm.
Now I just write on that this one I'm intercepting this one. This link I just write on. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this one. I'll just paste here. Okay.
Okay.
Now inside this, I'll just remove this request here. I don't want as of now this one.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'll in the inside this block I'll just write on single quote. I'll just put one request here. Very well.
Okay.
Okay, now inside this is my callback function. Okay, now in this callback function, I'll write that one. If the request dot body dot operation name equal to this one, this string name,
Operation name. Okay.
yeah, this one. I'm sorry what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in this case, what I'll do, I'm getting here expression expected. One second, Dennis, let me check here. One second.
Okay.
Uh, Here I am getting one small. This one is
Hmm.
okay. This block is ended here,
Mm-hmm.
and this one is it block ended here.
Yeah.
So yeah, this one is my again. This one is for and this one is for describe.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Oh, I don't understand why. See, if this one is close open
Mm-hmm.
and this one
Yeah.
is yes, you can see closed. This
Mm.
one is open, this one is closed here,
Mm.
and this one is for my describe block. Everything is correct.
It doesn't like it. Yeah. Something's.
Once again, I'll just move this one.
It's
And
okay now.
take a
Yeah.
copy and
And you put it back in. So something's. Is there?
oh, I'll do one thing.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just take this one,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and I'll just copy and paste here only. Let's see what happens.
Mm-hmm.
I remove this one.
Yeah. I was having problems with multiple its sometimes, and I did
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
And I just, I felt bad about it, but I'm like, because I like to know I have different sections, but
Mm-hmm.
sometimes it just I don't know what's going on, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, I especially when you start putting in the semicolon and the comma sometimes, and that seems
Mm-hmm.
to fix stuff if you have that. I don't know. Yeah,
Correct.
I don't know. Yeah, Steve was having me match, he says match from the inner to the outer.
Okay.
And then he saw some stuff
Mhm.
when I've worked with him.
Okay. I'm if I remove.
Yeah. Yeah, now we got a red at the very beginning, open paren, a red undescribed of a curly, open curly. I can hardly see these, but yeah. Um, Still doesn't like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just put here. Yeah.
That did it?
Correct.
Ugh.
The it should continue. So I'll just put here request dot continue inside that if. Let's see what happened now.
Mhm.
Now if I should be able to load a list. Yeah, it is loading. Yeah, it's working fine for me.
Mhm.
If I go to here, this was my request. Aliases
Mhm.
and third desk case. So it's route. If I open this one, see here post.
Mhm.
Can you see a stopped?
Stubbed alias. Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
So I successfully intercept that one.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I go to yes operation name, you got the result. Any doubt?
Um, so where you say on line 16,
Yeah.
if req.body dot
Yeah.
operation name,
Yeah.
I mean, I see operation name. How do you know it's req.body? Is that something you make up or?
Okay. See, this REQ is my like I'm taking this variable from here.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm accessing it
Oh,
as
okay. You
body.
got that from there. Okay. And then body? Where
Yeah.
did we get that from?
One second. See if I go.
Quest headers.
Your body is the dot body, no?
Okay. It's
Dot body because see this one is my body. This part is body.
It's in the body part.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. I thought so. I wasn't positive where that came from. I thought maybe it came from there.
Okay. So in this case, what we have done then is,
hmm Um, well, listening and you assigned an alias,
hmm
um,
hmm
for interacting with the site. I
okay,
mean, we're creating a new item and just whether you want to say you're monitoring it, it's with API testing to kind of
yeah,
monitoring the back, lack of a better term, traffic. What you're sending something out and trying to get something back.
yeah, yeah, correct.
And that's a lot of what API testing is.
hmm Exactly.
So we're going into the detail of the web tools to
Yeah,
get that.
correct.
Oh yeah, I see the time on yours, 22:38. That's funny. Okay. I was looking at your screenshot or your
Yeah,
yeah. There
yeah,
you go. Yeah, I
yeah,
see it now.
yeah.
Okay.
So really you got it now. So what I'll do now? I'll take another like scenario.
Okay.
What I'll do?
hmm
I'll just take one negative test case. Okay, what we can say negative
Okay.
scenario, or we can say opposite of this. What I'll do? I'll
hmm
take one int block. Now I just try to verify the operation name. What I have done this here in this
hmm
identify the correct request using operation name.
hmm
And now in this scenario, what we doing? Verify the operation name.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So I just go here, CY intercept, copy this line,
hmm
put here. Okay, now I'll take if request dot body dot operation name equal to. See, I'll take some random number here like home page query. For example, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7. I'll take some random number.
Yeah. It might be misspelled at the very beginning. HOMPE,
Yeah.
where you just wrote, yeah, see at the very beginning. Yeah, you got HOMPE. You don't have HOME.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah. So that's all I was saying. Just yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Correct. Thanks. So I'll do this if block. I'll just write request alias equal to home page query. I write a request dot continue. Now I'll run it. Or else I can just also write this like this.
Mhm.
If I want to run this one, so what happened now? I'm getting error like just put here CY.visit. See what I'm doing, Dennis. Copy this one.
See that? Visit the site again,
Yeah,
or make sure you get back to it. I don't know.
yeah. Then I'm writing here CY.wait at the rate homepage query. No need to write if I write nothing will eat blog. Yeah.
More of
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now run this one. If that is the case, just move the command inside and eat. Okay.
Okay.
Put that command inside.
A little slow.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The site seems a little slow.
Mhm. It's giving one error to us. CY.wait.
Is that in front of that a hashtag or at?
Yeah, it's
What's
a
in front of?
at.
It's at. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. What done, I just put in the if. No. Yes, stop. Yes.
Hmm.
So, did you get what I have tried, Dennis?
Yes.
So this one is simple API testing that we intercept.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let me make sure I screenshot.
Yeah, I guess.
I might have had screenshots, but just in case.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm in the negative scenario one?
Um, you want some assignment?
Yeah, you have, like, and further down on your
Yeah, yeah,
page.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I was just gonna take that. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Right. Okay. Did you want me to try this on my own and come
yeah,
back
yeah,
in
yeah.
a little
Sure,
bit,
sure,
or
sure, sure, sure.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Probably 11:45, right?
sure, sure.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right. I will go on mute.
sure.
Just make a note,
Yeah.
11:45, and I will try this on my own, and I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
बड़ी रात जिम्मेदारी की क्या जिम्मेदारी बड़ी है तो सुंदरता भी कम नहीं। आप बड़े आपका क्या रात के सपने के क्या हुआ? अरे भैया रे तेरा तो क्या होने वाला है? क्या देखा कान पर पैर फिसल गया गिर पड़े। क्यों इतनी उदास क्यों बैठी हो? मैंने सुना है तुम्हारी शादी तो किसी बहुत बड़े जमींदार से हो गई। याद है तुमने बचपन में हमें 3 रुपए दिए थे और मैंने कहा था तुम किसी राजा की रानी बनोगी। ठीक है ना मेरी बात? आज तो तुम्हें जमींदार देना पड़ेगा बेटी। अरे देवता तुम बिना डर के एक दिन बरसात की दोपहर में धूप बरसना था और गर्मी की भी हद नहीं थी। एक बार जाता तो किराने का नाम ही नहीं लेता। जमींदार का बेटा होगा तो घर में जमींदार साहब का हुक्म है कि सबको छुट्टी होगी तुझे नहीं। बोलो क्या कान खुल का मानी है? कान खोल कर सुन ले, आगेगा ये पिटेगा तू, समझा? ले ये कहाँ लगा? क्या बैठ जा। मुझसे सब नहीं होता। देखो, 1 मन 3 का दाम 14 रुपए 9 माने 3 पाई हूँ। 14 रुपए 9 माने 3 पाई हूँ। बनवाने के लिए सस्ता दे के मैं तो मन से छटा गया। इतना मैं लेके के भाग बनवाने के लिए सस्ता दे के मैं तो मन से छटा गया। इतना मैं लेके के भाग बनवाने के लिए सस्ता दे के मैं तो मन से छटा गया। इतना मैं लेके के भाग अरे मुंह से नहीं पूछना, कभी कहा आपको दिखाना है। दीदी, क्या सच्ची देवता को पाठशाला में नहीं आने देंगे? क्या पता? ये हुआ पंडित, मेरा तो आप ही आने को चाहिए। अब आप ही हुक्म करें जमींदार साहब, मैं क्या करूं? ये तो बड़ी मुश्किल थी। मेरा था जब बागी खेत को खाने लगे तो रखवाली कौन करेगा? मैं क्या जाऊँ जमींदार साहब, जो लोग पकड़ ले गए उनकी ये गलत, अरे वो कहाँ गया? इसकी हालत देखिए। इतना देर जहां भी देवालय से पहुंच गया। आप चिंता न कीजिए पंडित जी, धर्म कांटे का एक ही तो है, जमींदार का बेटा होने के कारण देवा का पक्ष न होगा। वो तेरी लौट रही है, देवा कहाँ है? वो तो भाग के रहा। क्या बोलती है? भाग किसी के? एक कण चूने की जेब में चिप फट करती है। बोलो किस तरह देखिए, पूरा पतला वाला। नहीं जाएगी, अब जाएगी भी। बता तेरा कहाँ है? मुझे क्या मालूम? बोलो किस पर? वो तेरी लौट रही है, देवा कहाँ है? वो तो भाग के रहा। क्या बोलती है? वो तेरी लौट रही है, देवा कहाँ है? वो तो भाग के रहा। क्या बोलती है? भाग किसी के? एक कण चूने की जेब में चिप फट करती है। बोलो किस तरह देखिए, पूरा पतला वाला। नहीं जाएगी, अब जाएगी भी। बता तेरा कहाँ है? मुझे क्या मालूम? हाँ मुझको लगी होगी, पर मैं बताऊंगी नहीं। ये हमारे मैंने खुद ही आना खाने को। अच्छा तू ले जाना, परसों उसे बात में बुलाकर संध्या से पहले घर भी ले आना है। अच्छा बाबा, घर भी ले आऊंगी। बस अंदर पिताजी भूख लगी है, पहले कुछ खा लो फिर बताओ। अच्छा अच्छा। हाँ हाँ, अब भूख लगी तो खाने को दे। बस इतने से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? रोज तो यही से पेट भर जाता, आज क्या बात हो गई? अरे दे दे ना बबूल, कुछ हलवा संदेश थोड़ी है, कुरकुरे ही तो है, मेरे जाने से क्या हो? दे दे। ना कौन? पारो? अबे किस तंबाकू पी रहे हो? क्या हुआ? बहुत लोग सभी पीते हैं। कौन? पारो? अबे किस तंबाकू पी रहे हो? क्या हुआ? बहुत लोग सभी पीते हैं। तो घर में बनाइए। कौन? पारो? अबे किस तंबाकू पी रहे हो? क्या हुआ? बहुत लोग सभी पीते हैं। तो घर में बनाइए। लाते। तुम कल पढ़ने का करते हो? तुमने सब बातें जानकर शायद इसे कहती है। मैं बंद कर क्या हो? तो तुम्हें पाठशाला में नहीं जाने देंगे। हाँ जाने दे, तो पढ़ने नहीं जाता। ना घंटे दे। वो तो मैं नहीं गई। अच्छा तो जा पानी ला। पानी यहाँ कहाँ मिलेगा? पानी नहीं मिलेगा, संदेश नहीं मिलेगा, तो मिलेगा तेरा सर। जा जाके पानी ला। मैं नहीं जाऊंगी, मुझे मालूम है तुम ऐसे भाग जाओ। नहीं भागो, जा कह रहा हूँ ना। नहीं जाएगी, जा मैं कहता हूँ। मैं जाऊंगी, सब जगह ताराजी से कह दूंगी। पारो, ओ पारो, जा दफा हो जा। मैंने सब जगह ढूंढा लेकिन लेबर कहीं पता नहीं चला। कहाँ गया? क्यों बेटी? रोती क्यों है? मैं कहाँ हूँ बदमाश? बगीचे में जानते दादाजी वहाँ वो छुप छुप के तंबाकू पीते हैं। वो तंबाकू नहीं पीने लगा? रोती क्यों है? मैं कहाँ हूँ बदमाश? बगीचे में जानते दादाजी वहाँ वो छुप छुप के तंबाकू पीते हैं। वो तंबाकू नहीं पीने लगा? अलर्ट हो गया, अंधेर आ गया, आज शिवरात्रि का स्कूल बंद, खाना बंद। ईदा, अलीजा और जैसे तैसे मुझे काम पकड़ गया। क्या ना I love learning new technologies. That's why Udemy. With Udemy courses, I learn practical. Hi there, welcome to KBox Let's Test, and this video we are going to learn how can we intercept the network request in Cypress. This is the web page that I have created, and this web page is going to fetch the data from this particular endpoint. So we are going to fetch some users from this response. There are three buttons. This load 3 is going to fetch 3 users from this whole list. Load 5 users is going to fetch 5 users, and this load 1 user is going to fetch a specific user. Right? So to understand the network request, let's open the developers toolbar and click on the networks tab. Make sure that this all is selected. Now, when I'm going to click on this button, I have also written an event listener for click event, and in this particular section, as you could also read, the title of this section is intercept XHR. So in here we are making XHR request to fetch the users and to create the new users. Okay. In this bottom section, we are fetching the users using the fetch API, and we are again using fetch to post the users. Okay. So when I'm going to click on this button, this section would get updated, not the whole page. So let me click on this, and in here you see this is the network request that we have made to this particular endpoint to fetch 3 users, right? And the type of the request is XHR. If you do the same with this, again we have fetched 3 users from the same endpoint, but this time the type of the request is fetch. So let's also understand this XHR in fetch, and before that let's understand the need of Ajax. So before Ajax concept was introduced, to update the portion of the page, browsers at that time used to make a request for a full web page to the server. It means that even for a small change, the page was loaded entirely. Now in here, because I have used the Ajax concept, so only this section is being updated when I click on this button, not the whole page. Right? Because loading the whole page is really bad. Let's understand this. So let's open this well, right? And let me inspect this. Let's again go back to network and let us reload this page. Right? So we see in here we have made so many network requests. If you could see, I'm highlighting. There are so many 73 requests that we have made just to this page. Just imagine if you just update a small section on this page and you have to make these many requests again, right? That's really bad. With Ajax, web applications are able to send and retrieve data from the server asynchronously in the background without interfering with the display and the behavior of the existing page. That was the need. Ajax. Now, what is this XML HTTP request? So this is the page that I've created, and if we to the code, right? So this is the function that I've made. Okay. And in here you can see I'm first working with the XML HTTP request object. Okay. XML HTTP request object is used to retrieve data from a server asynchronously. XML HTTP is used to fetch XML data over HTTP and hence the name. But today it can be used with protocols other than HTTP, and it can fetch data not only in the form of XML but also JSON, HTML, or plain text. Now, what is this fetch? Fetch is the new native JavaScript API supported by most browsers today. Fetch also allows you to make network requests similar to XML HTTP request. It is an improvement over XML HTTP request API. The main difference between fetch and XML HTTP request is that fetch API uses promise and hence avoid all the callbacks. Alright? So with that, now let us see how can we intercept these requests in Cypress. So prior to version 6.0, Cypress 6.0, we used to use cy.servo and cy.route combination. But now this feature is deprecated, and Cypress is also saying that this particular thing will be moved to a plugin. So better start using cy.intercept. So if you can move to the new version of Cypress, you should think about upgrading the Cypress. And to do that, what you have to do is to your terminal and just first type npm update, because you first have to check whether you need to update to the new version or not. If you're already on version 6 and above, you don't need to. We started this series on Cypress 5.4, and I recently updated this to 6.4, which is the correct version as I'm recording this video. So when you write this command, you will see what are the latest version available at this point in time. And if you want to update any of the specific one, all you have to say is npm install, then type the name of the package and add and then say latest. Hit enter, and this is going to download the latest version for you. Okay, right. Now, what are we going to see? So these are the test cases that we are going to write on the page that I've shown you. So we are going to do
Hello.
spy install.
Sorry, I'm a few minutes late. I have a curly brace mess.
Okay.
Curly, I have
Okay.
kind of what you were going through. So I haven't been able to run it yet.
Okay. So Dennis, hi Dennis. Dennis, see,
Hello.
I need to showcase some case. Like, can you see
Sure.
my CY intercept?
Okay. Go to Google.
See, there is before before like Cypress less than 6 version we have cy.route and session, but now this is deprecated.
Mhm.
See, cy intercept is the successor to route and as of C.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is for spying. We can use intercept and URL,
hmm
and for spying and response stubbing we use this one methods. So these are the different methods we can use using intercept.
hmm
We can also use some get, post,
hmm
like for example spying. So we use get here. Spying and response table, then we use post here.
Okay.
Yeah, we can also do you use a dynamic stubbing. Just now we have done using request.
hmm
Yeah. So you can do more practice, by seeing this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it? Yeah. So you had dot, Dennis?
Yeah. No. I kind of followed along in the documentation that you just showed, the Cypress documentation.
Yeah.
It's just more, I'm having a hard time running it because I got my stupid, curly braces and
Okay. Mhm.
closed parens messed up. So I got to fix those before I can get it to run.
Mhm.
Oh. I do have. So where you have the spring boot, where's that at? I'm sorry. Where you have like toward the top,
Yeah. If you go
where we
here,
got the GraphQL,
see
where
if
we got the GraphQL spring boot
if you go here to do list. So if you click on this header now, you'll get this one.
in the headers.
Yeah.
Okay, just one moment in the headers. Ah, there you go.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. The request URL. Okay. That's where we said REQ body operation name. Okay. I was just looking at my my situation. My situation.
Curly braces.
Because I'm missing the first
Okay.
curly, so I know how to get that one, but no, I don't. Maybe I don't. I don't. I must be missing more than one. Um, but they're getting red on the bottom, so when I try to put them in, that's funny. So, um, oh no, play with it. Yeah, I've got red ones on the bottom, so it doesn't like my describe it should
Hmm.
be. I'm just looking, trying to look through this. Okay, that first, after that first it is okay. Okay, the second it is okay. Okay. The third it looks okay. I think I see a problem, maybe. Okay. I think I'm okay in the first section. Maybe not. Wait. Um, ah, maybe that's what I needed. Copy another line of a curly brace and see the first section. And then the negative scenario section maybe is where I got messed up. I can look at my screenshot too. It's weird.
You're sharing?
Yeah, I can. I can share. Yeah. Give me a moment.
So what happened? You're getting problem?
Yeah, I'm close, but I'm getting funny. My syntax isn't right. So
Okay.
let's see. What was I? Just let me say share and that one. So can you see? So let me pull this down so you see more.
Okay, your id block. Okay. Okay, remove line number 22.
Line number 22.
Yeah.
So it gave me a parenthesis error here when I took 22 out. Oh, and it gave me that error too. That's weird. So if I put this back in, oh,
Okay, put comma. Sorry, parenthesis.
what line?
Line number 22.
Okay, I have a parenthesis in line 22.
Yeah, again put. Yeah.
Do what? I'm sorry. What
Uh,
else?
can you just
Um,
put parenthesis after line number 22?
32?
22.
22.
22.
22.
Yeah.
I did.
Parenthesis. Before that, you put curly braces.
Curly braces. Okay, I see. Okay. And now got that one.
Okay. Remove that one.
Remove this one.
Line number 24.
24. Okay.
Yeah, what happened now?
So like this one is an error.
Okay, again put curly braces.
24.
Yeah, 24 curly braces. And yeah,
It's red.
uh, let me check at my screen.
Yeah, it's funny, when I took it out here,
I have only two. Remove that
took
one,
care
line 22.
22?
22, yeah,
Okay.
remove.
Now I've got
Yeah,
that.
yeah, 1 second.
Where?
Um,
Oh.
1 second.
So I took out the parenthesis here on 23. And I don't have the error.
Okay.
I mean, I still have an error, obviously, in the file here.
Mhm. Okay, remove that one. Last file. Last.
Last
Yeah.
line, 42.
Remove that one. Yeah.
It's
Uh,
still, I'm still in
yeah.
error.
Go last. Go here down. Okay.
42.
1 second. 1 second.
Oh, this one's in error here too. It's got a red line underneath it on 31. And 31, those two match.
Okay.
Let me take out the one on 31 and see. Ooh, I see. Okay. It's still
Remove line number 31.
like line 21,
31. 31. 31.
21, 31. Okay. 3, 1. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't. See what happens? It doesn't like that one.
Okay, let it be. You can put that line. Just I'm sharing to you, Dennis. Check it out.
You're sending something to me?
I'm
Okay.
sharing. I'm sharing.
Oh, you're sharing. Okay, let me stop.
Yeah.
It's happening. It'll happen. The sharing.
Okay.
It'll happen. Just gotta be patient. Oh,
Yeah. See.
okay. One moment. It just seems like it's not happening yet. Okay, it will fade in. Yes. Okay, starting at describe. It looks like I've got the two here. Just put them back out. And it looks like I've got continue, but I seem to have maybe an additional curly. No, let me see. I needed two sets after the REQ continue on line 23 and 24. Okay. Now I have the two sets. Okay. And then maybe further down because I still have a problem with the negative scenario stuff. So it looks okay, except for on line 23, I'm getting a blinking on the parenthesis. It doesn't like the parenthesis. Oh, I'm also on line 15 getting a red on line in red curly brace.
Okay.
So my rec continue has like a open curly rec body name.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's okay. My rec continue does have the curly brace, rec continue curly brace. They're blue, not yellow. Don't know if that means anything. Um, and then it's like it just doesn't like that. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't, I'm missing a closing. Seems like I'm missing another closing curly brace, but I
Okay.
mean, I can try it, but okay, that seems to have solved it to put a closing curly.
Okay.
Um, but it's just weird that it doesn't quite match. And then rec continue, like I said, these are blue. My curly braces are blue, not yellow. I don't know if that means that
Yeah.
I'm missing something. Yeah, it does. Um, and my GraphQL on line 18 is blue instead of being, and REQ is pink. It's pink. So it seems like it's like the whole it block starting in 15 is kind of like
Mhm.
off for some reason. It AY intercept, right? Post. GraphQL. Uh, it looks okay, like I said, in the second it block,
Okay.
I think. And the third it block is just 1, 2, 3. Um, using operation name. Yeah, it's just the after 16 CY intercept, it turns pink. The parentheses are pink. Are they pink on your end?
Which
'Cause
one?
line 15, the parentheses before post,
Yeah.
is that pink?
Pink, yes.
It is pink. Okay. Mine's pink too. But around REQ, it's not, it's pink.
Okay.
Oh, oh. After GraphQL, I have a paren. Okay. And now I'm missing somewhere the closing paren for wherever wherever it closes. Oh, that might be it. Right before that one. Now I am missing after REQ. I still, is it a it's a curly. Huh. And also after it, my paren isn't happy. I don't have a closing paren, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I've got a closing paren now. I mean, it's no longer red on 15. Um, but I still think I have a problem with it be closing curly here. No. Somewhere this, where after rec on line 15, there's a closing paren for that. See, I may just try to, I may have extra sets of stuff. So let me, okay, take that out. So yeah, no matter what I do, I'm still on it. My open paren is red, so I need another one. And my open curly brace on 16 is red.
Okay.
So, and then I have similar issue on the other one. So yeah, this is hard. Yeah, and that rec doesn't, it just doesn't, it's not right. So post single paren, comma, single quote, HTTPS. Okay. There you go. Again, a single quote, get rid of the, there it is. Okay, that's part of it. I got rid of the closing paren after GraphQL. Now my REQ is blue.
Mhm.
I still have a problem with the parens.
Okay.
And then maybe I just need to, I don't know, duplicate them. The one with it went away. If I take the red one out, no. Okay. Rec body, rec continue. At, oh, possibly it's this curly paren and curly paren. Oh, jeez. Sorry. Okay. I think,
Mhm.
believe it or not, that one is okay. Now moving down to negative scenario, I think.
Okay.
Yes. So negative scenario now is the issue. And moving down to negative scenario, I think I made the same error. So take out the close paren after what is my line 29. No, I didn't. Okay. Correct. Um, hmm, almost. Should be flush, maybe. Yes. Yeah. Now my describe went off. So I think I might just need another set. Is it okay,
Okay.
curly? It's usually curly. Okay. Let me just try this. Curly and okay. I think oh boy. That just it's a puzzle every single time.
Yeah, yeah. It takes time to,
It's a
yeah.
puzzle. And I don't know if my if I'm referring to everything correctly now.
Mhm.
Um, but let me I'm gonna save it, but I like to close it. Just and then I'll run. NPX Cypress open. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Oh, I know. I can't see because I don't have my terminal up high enough. That's weird. Uh, E to E. I can display in a minute. Hmm. Okay. I might have put this in the wrong directory. I thought I had it.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to shut this down and I'm in new VV and
Okay.
I called,
Dennis, what I'm saying, can you try? Then we'll see tomorrow.
yeah, I'll try it tomorrow and make sure it's in the right directory because I didn't see it in that directory, which is kind of, oh, it doesn't have the CYJS on it. That's it. Okay, I'll do that tomorrow then. Okay, I appreciate your help. And if there's anything else for tomorrow, let me know.
Tomorrow we'll see the git command.
The GitHub, like Git. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I appreciate your help today. I'm sorry it's been kind of a mind bender. So
No,
anyway.
most welcome. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
Tomorrow we'll
Dennis.
do it
Yeah.
again. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Dennis, I'll. Hello. Hello.